So what's up? What's going on, guys? JA. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking an early look at the upcoming Yeezy 500 Ash Gray, which is set to drop this coming Saturday, December the 4th, retailing at $200. So this year, we got a total of 4 Yeezy 500 low colorways, from the inflamed orange to the taupe light, the clay brown, into now the 500 Ash Gray. And when it comes to the Yeezy 500, they seem to be a fan favorite, and it makes sense with their more retro-like silhouette. As you guys know, the sole is inspired by retro Kobe silhouettes. So this colorway is going to be more tonal. As you guys see, they took some risks, switched things up right here. You guys see the 500 low in flame, which varies from the OG colorways, as you see multiple colors along the upper, including this orange sole. And then you have here the OG blush, which dropped right after the supermoon yellow. So as you guys see, you have one solid color ranging throughout the entire silhouette. So these fall more in line with the original color. I think people more prefer this version more, but I think over time we'll come to appreciate the multicolored versions a little bit more. Plus, more multicolored 500s will be dropping coming up 2022. So let's take a look at these together. You guys already know, drop a like. Make sure you guys leave your first impressions down below as we unbox these joints together. So here you have it. Oh, I should have showed y'all the box. As you guys see, you got the ash gray. So these joints are cool. In proper lighting, a true gray color. One of the major details that will stand out to you guys though, as you guys see, you have a darker color sole, but this mint green really hits. And you also do have a little bit of what appears to be like that mint green here on the upper as well. So with these being so close to previous 500s that dropped this year, you know, I don't expect them to think that you should buy every colorway. I mean, as a consumer, it's probably a little more practical rather than copping these if you do have a colorway similar. So it kind of just depends on what colorways you already have in your collection. I mean, just comparing these to the blush, you do have what appears to be a similar vibe, although these are a lot more grayish, obviously. So let's go ahead and throw these joints on feet. In terms of sizing, if you guys have never owned a 500 low, they do actually run true to size, which is somewhat rare for Yeezy. Don't get it twisted though, the highs do run small. These run a little more true to size, but if you feel like you want that extra room, or if you have a somewhat wider foot, you guys can still half up, but don't full size up on these. So there's no proper way to wear Yeezys. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. We're just gonna get a quick look on feet just so you guys can catch a vibe. So these, in my opinion, look great. Whether you're wearing shorts, slim pants, baggy, whatever you do, you can't get away with it. This is just a great looking shoe, and it's appealing on anybody. So let me know what you guys think. Again, these joints, they're dropping Saturday, $200 retail. Not bad if you ask me, but again, probably not a must-have. So check them out from the back. So the Yeezy 500 low does feature your Adidas Ortholite sole, which just gives a little extra comfort, a little extra cushioning. These joints do not include boost, but don't get it twisted. They are very comfortable on feet. So in terms of stock numbers, this is gonna be right in between a tier 1 and tier 2 release. So stock numbers will not be very high, although the demand is not really high there as well, due to the fact that there are so many other similar colorways on the market. Expect these joints to probably go under $300 after the release, and then after a few months after the release, expect them to hover right above 300. So it's not an easy cop for retail, but if you put in that work and your homework, you should be able to cop these joints, hopefully either via Yeezy Supply, the Confirm Raffle, or from select retailers. So be on the lookout for these guys. They're gonna be a nice clean little release to check out for. So once again, let me know your final thoughts and opinions of the 500 Ash Gray. to me, out of the 500 lows that have released this year, you know what? My favorites gonna have to be the Inflame, just because they did a little bit something different with these joints. Then I'll go with the Clay Brown. I like that darker tone. Then these, and then the Taupe Lights, which it's so hard to really rank them because they're all such a similar vibe. So appreciate everybody once again for tuning in for today's video. I'm J.A. Stay safe, stay blessed, guys. And I'm out, y'all. Salute.